and welcome to the 9 to 9 show, where I share with you 9 things at 9 in the morning for less than 9 minutes. I'm Kathryn Jones, founding design hacker and your host. Let's get started. Today we are going to talk about 9 ways to attract customers, especially if you are a beginner, okay? Number 1, you need to know what you're actually selling. This is actually crazy, and maybe you are guilty of this, but sometimes they'll be like, oh, I'm not making any sales online. You're like, well, what do you offer? And they're like, well, I can just kind of do anything. I can do this, or I can do this, or I can do this. Knock it off. Be better. Say what your offer is. Know what it is. In one sentence, what is it that you're actually selling, okay? Drop my number 2. Got so excited. Number 2, actually sell it, okay? I had this moment a while ago, not like 3 or 4 years ago, when I was first, I was learning a bunch of stuff online, but I was getting frustrated because I was seeing other people succeed and I wasn't succeeding. And all of a sudden, I had this woman who very bluntly and with a lot of swear words told me, Kathryn, if you want to make money, you have to bleeping sell. You have to actually ask people for money. So I did this audit and realized that in the last 2 months, I had made 0 offers. And if you ask 0 people for money, then 0 people are going to pay you money. So if you want to make money, ask for money, okay? Which brings us to number 3. One of the easiest ways to find clients is to show the success that you've had with past clients, okay? Get really in depth about the case studies. Number 4, offer things for free. I learned this from Dan Henry. He's a genius marketer, okay? And one of the things that he did, he used to have a course called Facebook Ads for Beginners, but now I think it's Funnels and Ads for Beginners. I don't know. Anyway, it was a Facebook Ads course, okay? And that's one of the most common objections always when you're teaching a skill set is how do I find clients, how do I find clients, how do I find clients? So what he did on the webinars, he challenged people to go find a client before they actually even bought the thing. And one way that he did is that he suggested was to offer for free, to say, hey, listen, I'm learning a skill set, or hey, I've just recently become great in this skill set. I'm taking on 1 client for free this month to prove how good I am. If you want for me to actually run your Facebook ads this month for free, drop your name below and I'll help you out. All these different people would drop their name. You pick one, but the rest are now potential clients, okay? Now, number 5, this is my famous script. I do this for design hacking sales for funnels, when it comes to funnels. So if you are trying to get a design hacking sale for funnels, one of the easiest things to say is this, is say, hey, you check out a link, you check out somebody's funnel, you say, hey, listen, the product and service you're offering looks amazing, but if you don't mind me being so bold as an expert funnel designer, the product, the design of your funnel does not seem to match the quality of your product, which is going to cost you sales. There are 6 really easy tweaks that I can show you how to make to fix that. Would you want to hop on a call really fast? Boom. Then you show them what to do without showing them how to do it, and you sell them on the actual service. Okay, number 6, ask for referrals. Always ask for referrals when the iron is hot, in the sense that you deliver something, your client's super jazzed, they're like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, and you're like, yes, who else needs this, okay? Number 7, sell the thing that actually sells the thing. I learned this concept first from Derricks, okay? But essentially what you can do is sell a little thing that will sell the big thing. So for me, I sell a design intensive, which is basically the blueprint for the funnel before I actually sell the funnel itself, okay? Number 8, publish daily. Steve Larson's super loud about this. Russell Brunson's super loud about this. People don't know what to pay you money for if you don't tell them what to pay you money for. And it takes people a lot of time to finally figure out what that is, so publish daily, okay? And number 9, be a design hacker and sell through story. Design hacking is all about how to present stories that convert, and selling through story is one of the easiest ways to do that, okay? If you can sell through a story, then all of a sudden a story becomes their story, which becomes our story. You share pain points, and then you can share solutions. If you want to learn how to go more in depth on any of these things, come hang out with us on our Facebook group, Design Hackers Official. See you there. Happy morning.